Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Process Monitor step by step. A Process Monitor is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you monitor file system activity, registry changes, process creation, and other system events in real time. It's especially useful for troubleshooting software and Windows issues, so let's get started. First, download and open Process Monitor on your Windows computer. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes. The first time you launch the tool, accept the license agreement, and Process Monitor will immediately begin capturing system activity. Next, you'll notice that thousands of events can appear very quickly. To make the information easier to read, click the Capture button on the toolbar to pause data collection whenever you need to examine the current results. To focus on a specific application or process, open the Filter menu and choose Filter. Add a filter for the process name you're interested in, then click Add and OK. This removes unrelated events and makes troubleshooting much easier. You can click any event in the list to view detailed information, including the process name, operation performed, file path, registry key, result, and timestamp. Double-clicking an event opens additional details that can help you understand exactly what happened. When you're finished analyzing the data, stop the capture and save the log if you want to review it later or share it with someone else for troubleshooting. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Process Monitor to monitor system activity and diagnose Windows or application problems. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll